Your audience decides in the very first 2 minutes if they want to listen to you or not, if they're bored or not. You have that first chance to make that cracker impression. So what are you going to do? Are you going to use this 2 minutes to make that cracker opening? Then welcome to the episode of Method in Madness, because today we're going to talk about how to make that cracker opening.
Method in Madness.
When you're writing the opening of your speech or story, make sure you have 3 essential elements. First, chemistry. Your audience is not ready to absorb all the content that you have planned for them. So you need to warm them up. How can you do that? With a nice story, with a rhetorical question that will get them grooving. The second thing is character. You need to build credibility for your topic and yourself as a speaker. So tell them why is this topic important and why you are the right person to tell about this topic. And the third thing is care. This topic may be important for you, but why should this audience listen? Tell them why is it important for them, and then you are creating the perfect field for the perfect speech. So let's recap. The 3 essential things you need to have in your opening are chemistry, character, and care. So now you know how to make that great opening, but don't go anywhere. You know why? Because it's time for Expression of the Week. Dear friends, welcome to the Expression of the Week. Today I'm standing in this beautiful city of Frankfurt, and I'm standing at a very iconic place. I'm standing very next to the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. And you know what's behind me? It's the iconic bull. The bull that is often used to describe optimism in the stock market. So I thought, let's make the expression of the week something related to that. The expression of the week is take the bull by the horn. What does it mean? It means doing something very difficult or tough in a very, very brave way. Or someone who has been procrastinating to do something very important and has finally decided to do it. That's when you call it take the bull by the horn. Now, how can we use it? Let's see. After working for 7 years, Kevin finally decides to take the bull by its horn and ask for a promotion. Or Maya finally decides to take the bull by the horn and overcome her fear of water by enrolling into swimming classes. Now that's when you call take the bull by the horn. Try this expression and let me know how you find it. Please leave your comments and feedback. And I will see you next week with another expression. Till then, I'm here in Germany and I will enjoy some nice German food and some nice beers. And I will see you next week, signing off from the Frankfurt Stock Exchange and the Bull. See you. Do you know you get only 2 minutes to make... Sorry. No, one more time.